Looking to introduce comprehensive body and skincare treatments to your salon? Meet our 10-in-1 cavitation machine. Upgraded 80K cavitation handpiece precisely targets small fat areas. Higher frequency means a more comfortable experience. Vacuum RF sculpts the body and enhances lymphatic drainage, helping clients achieve their ideal shape. Multifunctional RF handpieces tighten skin, while the 4-polar and 3-polar RF lift the face and eyes. Hottie Cold Hammer opens pores for absorption or soothes and tightens for skincare. Microcurrent photons fade spots, firms, lifts, and soothes sunburns. EMS and laser lipo pads sculpt muscles and accelerate metabolism, helping clients achieve toned results. An intuitive color touchscreen with clear icons makes operation simple and boosts efficiency. Make this 10-in-1 cavitation machine the star of your salon. Contact us today for complete beauty care.